Let's explore the Geometric Langlands Program, a fascinating area where quantum field theory meets number theory. It's a profound geometric reformulation of the classical Langlands correspondence, connecting representation theory, algebraic geometry, and even quantum physics. The classical Langlands correspondence relates two seemingly different areas of mathematics. On the number theory side, we have Galois representations. These representations, which map the Galois group of a field extension into general linear groups over complex numbers, encode the arithmetic structure of field extensions. On the analysis side, we have automorphic representations. These are functions defined on adelic groups, specifically on the quotient of the general linear group over the adels of a field, by the general linear group over the field itself. They arise from harmonic analysis on these adelic groups. The Langlands correspondence posits a deep relationship between these two types of representations, linking number theory and analysis. The Geometric Langlands Program brings about a revolutionary shift, transforming the landscape from numbers to geometry. In the classical setting, we deal with number fields, global Galois groups, and automorphic forms. The geometric approach replaces these with their geometric counterparts, function fields, algebraic curves, and D-modules along with sheaves. The key insight is to replace arithmetic objects with their geometric analogues on Riemann surfaces. This makes the correspondence more tractable by leveraging the tools of algebraic geometry. In the realm of geometric Langlands, two essential geometric objects take center stage: D-modules and coherent sheaves. D-modules are differential operators acting on sheaves of functions. Specifically, we consider D sub x modules on bund sub g of x, where bund sub g of x represents the moduli stack of g bundles on a curve x. D modules are used to encode automorphic data geometrically. On the other hand, coherent sheaves are algebraic structures defined on moduli spaces. Here we have quasi-coherent sheaves on log-sis sub g hat, which parameterize Galois representations. These sheaves provide a geometric way to understand Galois representations. The Geometric Langlands Program revolves around two crucial moduli spaces: the moduli space of principal G bundles and the moduli space of local systems. The notation bund sub G of x represents the space of holomorphic G bundles over a Riemann surface X. These bundles capture geometric and topological information about the surface. On the other side, log-sis sub G hat of x denotes the moduli space of G hat local systems or flat connections on X, where G hat is the Langlands dual group of G. These local systems are related to representations of the fundamental group of X. The Geometric Langlands Program seeks to relate these two moduli spaces in a meaningful way. The heart of the Geometric Langlands Program is a profound conjecture about the relationship between D-modules and quasi-coherent sheaves. It states that there exists an equivalence of categories between D of bund sub G of x and quasi-coherent sheaves of log-sis sub G hat of x. In simpler terms, this means there is a deep correspondence between D-modules on the moduli space of G bundles, denoted as bund sub G of x, and quasi-coherent sheaves on the moduli space of G hat local systems, denoted as log-sis sub G hat of x. The Geometric Langlands Program has significant applications and connections to both quantum field theory and pure mathematics. In quantum field theory, it relates to S-duality and gauge theories, conformal field theory, and supersymmetric quantum mechanics. In pure mathematics, it enhances our understanding of representation theory of Lie groups. It incorporates algebraic geometry methods and unveils deeper number theory connections. A highlight item under physics is S-duality and gauge theories, and that under pure mathematics is representation theory of Lie groups. Despite its successes, the Geometric Langlands Program still faces several open challenges. Local geometric Langlands for ramified cases and precise local formulations remains open. Quantum geometric Langlands, especially non-critical level representations, still poorly understood. Bridging geometric insights to arithmetic Langlands is only partially solved. Deeper understanding of conformal field theory links is yet to be explored. The future of the Geometric Langlands program is ripe with potential. In the near term, key goals include translating geometric proofs to function fields, developing ramified cases, and exploring categorical trace methods. For the long term, the vision includes bridging the gap to arithmetic Langlands, deepening connections with quantum physics, and ultimately contributing to a unified theory of mathematics. A high priority item under the near-term goals is translating geometric proof to function fields, and that under the long-term vision is bridging to arithmetic Langlands. In conclusion, the Geometric Langlands program serves as a bridge, revealing deep connections across mathematical disciplines. It links number theory to quantum field theory, suggesting a fundamental unity underlying diverse areas of mathematics. The recent proof of certain aspects of the Geometric Langlands correspondence opens new pathways for understanding the arithmetic world through geometric insights, bringing us closer to a grand unified theory of mathematics. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.